welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. The Yamaha SR series has always represented a beautiful blend of vintage design, minimalist mechanics, and daily rideability. In 2025, Yamaha continues this legacy with the SR450, a modern interpretation of its iconic lineage that subtly balances old-school charm and updated engineering. This machine doesn't scream for attention with high horsepower figures or aggressive styling. Instead, it earns admiration through simplicity, character, and the ability to connect a rider to the road in a raw, visceral way. For fans of retro standards, analog feel, and motorcycles that harken back to the pure essence of riding, the SR450 is a quiet revolution. The heart of the SR450 is a new 445 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled SOHC engine that defines the motorcycle's character. Producing around 32 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque, this thumper doesn't break any records, but that's precisely the point. It's not about blistering acceleration or top-speed bragging rights. It's about feel. The motor is smooth yet throaty, torquey at low to mid-range revs, and delivers a genuinely engaging ride both in urban traffic and on relaxed weekend backroads. The SR450 rewards a calm throttle hand and a willingness to enjoy the journey. Yamaha has finely tuned the fuel injection system to offer linear response, with a gentle rise in power that feels more analog than digital, and the engine is paired with a slick 5-speed gearbox that emphasizes ease rather than urgency. One of the more charming aspects of the SR450 is its kickstarter. That's right, alongside the electric starter, Yamaha has retained a kick lever for the purists. It's more than just a gimmick. It's functional, precise, and connects the rider to a time when starting a motorcycle was part of the ritual. For riders who grew up around carbureted singles or vintage thumpers, this touch is both nostalgic and deeply satisfying. The electric start fires up the engine with a touch of a button, and the sound is pure SR deep, mellow, with a rhythmic cadence that immediately transports you back to simpler times. The chassis setup reflects a traditional upright motorcycle. A double cradle steel frame houses the engine, prioritizing stability and comfort over outright sportiness. The geometry is relaxed enough rake and trail to provide stability at speed, yet responsive enough to weave through city traffic or backroad curves. The front end features a 41 mm conventional telescopic fork with 130 mm of travel, while the rear is supported by dual shocks with preload adjustability, allowing riders to fine-tune for solo or two-up riding. Suspension is soft, comfortable, and well-suited for daily commuting or relaxed touring. It's not built for aggressive canyon carving, but that's not its mission. Braking is handled by a single 298 mm front disc with a twin-piston caliper and a 245 mm disc at the rear, both managed by ABS. Stopping power is progressive and confidence-inspiring, especially in city conditions or light touring. You won't be performing stop pies or track day maneuvers, but for its intended purpose, the braking setup feels just right, neither overkill nor under-equipped. Design-wise, the 2025 SR450 is a time capsule. Yamaha has doubled down on vintage aesthetics, and the result is a bike that looks like it rolled straight out of the late 1970s, but with none of the reliability concerns of a bike that age. A rounded steel fuel tank with polished aluminum side panels, hand-painted pinstripes, and a classic teardrop shape exudes charm. The chrome front and rear fenders shine under sunlight, reflecting a time when motorcycles prioritized elegance over aggression. The exhaust is a long, low-slung chrome piece that complements the bike's lines and delivers a throaty exhaust note without being obnoxious. The round headlamp, analog speedometer and tachometer, and minimal digital instrumentation reinforce the vintage appeal. There's a small LCD inset in the gauges for essentials like trip meters and a fuel indicator, but everything else is purposefully analog. Switchgear is simple and tactile. Even the mirrors, round and chrome-tipped, feel lifted from a 1975 catalog. Seat height is a friendly 785 mm, making the SR450 accessible to a wide range of riders, including beginners or those transitioning from smaller displacement bikes. The seat itself is flat, spacious, and comfortable over longer distances. It encourages upright posture and relaxed riding, perfect for city commutes or Sunday brunch rides out of town. Combined with neutral handlebars and mid-mounted pegs, the ergonomics are all-day friendly. Yamaha has also introduced a small but meaningful selection of accessories for the SR450. Riders can opt for a brown leather seat, a cafe racer-style cowl, or a retro headlight grille. There are also optional saddlebags, making light touring a viable option. While the core design leans heavily into retro territory, Yamaha understands the modern rider's needs and allows customization without compromising the bike's identity. In terms of tech, the SR450 keeps things minimalistic. There are no ride modes, no traction control, and no TFT dash. The inclusion of ABS is welcome, but beyond that, Yamaha has avoided electronic complexity. The result is a machine that's refreshingly devoid of distractions. It's just you, the bike, and the road, a rarity in today's tech-saturated motorcycle market. Fuel economy is another strong point. The SR450 returns around 75 miles per gallon, approximately 3.1 liters per 100 kilometers, thanks to its low-revving engine and efficient tuning. With a 12-liter tank, you can expect a comfortable range north of 300 kilometers, making it practical as a daily runner without frequent stops at the pump. Emissions are €5 plus compliant, and Yamaha's engineers have managed to keep the engine character intact while meeting modern environmental standards. At a price point of around $5,999, the 2025 Yamaha SR450 slots into the market as a premium retro standard without premium complexity. It competes loosely with bikes like the Royal Enfield Classic 350, Honda CB350, and the Triumph Speed 400. While some of these alternatives offer more tech or different engine configurations, the SR450 stands out for its singular dedication to classic simplicity. It doesn't try to be a cafe racer, a scrambler, or a performance naked. It's a standard motorcycle, in the most honorable and traditional sense. The SR450's real strength lies in its purity. In a world of increasingly complex motorcycles, it's a breath of fresh air. It reminds you why you fell in love with riding in the first place. There's no learning curve, no settings to toggle, no power modes to worry about. You turn the key, press the starter, or kick it, if you prefer, and ride. And when you do, you'll notice something subtle but profound. You're paying attention to the road, to the wind, to the engine's pulse. It's a bike that disappears beneath you in the best possible way, becoming an extension of your will rather than a machine you have to manage. This makes the SR450 more than just a motorcycle, it becomes a companion. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or meandering through rural countryside, it delivers a consistent and endearing experience. You'll start to look forward to your commute. You'll find yourself taking the long way home. And when it's parked, people will come up to ask if it's a restored vintage. It rides smoothly, it looks beautiful, it's easy to live with, and it invites you to slow down and savor every moment on two wheels. It's not for those chasing lap times, it's for those chasing sunsets. What Yamaha has crafted with the SR450 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a philosophy. A reminder that sometimes, less really is more. That joy doesn't always need speed. That the road itself, and the feeling of two wheels gliding over it, is the reward. If that resonates with you, then the SR450 might just be the bike your soul has been waiting for.